A few years ago, I started collecting Lemax pieces. It's been so fun to pick out a new piece every year and keep building our village. I've been happy to share with you some different ideas over the last few months on how you can start this tradition with your family. There are so many different collections that you can create holiday villages year-round. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use the Carnival collection to create a winter holiday carnival that will work for the holidays, and you can also use the pieces in setups throughout the year. I love that Lemax is a family-run company since 1990. They put so much love and thought into creating all of their pieces and know how special it will be for families like mine. We've had a blast creating our own village at home, but today I'm going to share with you 3 different easy DIY villages that you can set up in just minutes. To get started, I'm going to show you how you can decorate a bar cart by your fireplace to create the perfect magical carnival setup. Let's go! A fun way to set up your bar cart is by taking old boxes and wrapping them in festive gift wrap. Use those to create levels for your pieces. I put the Circus Funhouse on a gift box. I love that the rides shake and move, and you've got so much interaction in this piece. Plus, it lights up and plays festive music. Add in a few extra gifts so you can create the perfect setting with accessories. Don't forget the bottom of your bar cart. You can create the perfect park setup. We've got our reindeer petting zoo. We've also got our food trucks for the perfect fun afternoon. Flanking the bar cart, we have a small Christmas tree, and then we've got a mailbox for Santa to leave an extra special delivery. It's the perfect size for our homemade funnel cake food truck to be popping out. Besides decorating our bar cart, we also had a shelf hanging above our fireplace. So remember, you can always accent using your smaller pieces and add those little festive touches. I don't know about you, but that kettle corn guy is super cute and he's making me hungry. So next, we're gonna head to the kitchen and I'm gonna show you an easy setup on your counter. Creating small festive setups on the counter in the kitchen is one of my favorites. It's really easy to do if you're having friends and family over. And of course, hot cocoa is a favorite. So I created a nice help yourself hot cocoa station for my family. And I created a food truck park that goes with it. So set up a board, add your hot chocolate ingredients, label it with some sparkly stickers, and then decorate it with these amazing food trucks. I don't know about you, but I love a food truck, and the peppermint patty wagon is the perfect complement to the hot cocoa station. The gingerbread man one is so cute. If you're feeling really festive, add some gingerbread cookies. And of course, funnel cakes, a childhood favorite for everyone. These all come together in such a perfect, easy, simple setup that you can do in just minutes. Our third setup is so easy because you can create it on any empty table that you have at home. Whether it's a dinner table, a sofa table, or even use a folding table and put a linen on it, you can pop up this display really quickly. We created the perfect winter wonderland carnival. Check out my favorite pieces. Our first house in this setup is the Circus Funhouse. Check out all the fun activities that are happening within the funhouse. It not only moves, but it also lights up and plays music. I want to go on that slide right there. We elevated it using a piece of white styrofoam. I shaded the edges of it so it looked like snow, and you can see that it's surrounded by sprinkle fake snow as well as some cotton fluff behind it. The Lost Rafters is definitely a ride I would want to go on. So you see our individual little rafters are all spinning as they're moving around the danger vortex, which is a fun but yet a little bit spooky aspect to our holiday carnival. It lights up and plays music. So there's a couple different fun DIYs on this tree. We strung popcorn, and we're using our accessories to go with our ornaments. So each one of our accessories, I tied a little pipe cleaner around it. We're going to just twist this onto each branch that we want them displayed on. So they add the perfect little touch to match the rest of our display. What carnival isn't complete without a petting zoo? And this one is extra special. We have a reindeer petting zoo. I've always wanted to pet a reindeer, so what a fun way to pretend with your family. We set up the gates and then added in our reindeer, even our little baby reindeer. And check out the action happening behind it. The spinning snowflake is definitely the most popular ride at this winter carnival. Check out how fun it looks. They're spinning around as they're moving forward and backward. It lights up, moves, and makes music. It also has a volume control like our other two pieces, so you can turn the music off when you need to and control it as high or as low as needed. 3 easy displays that you can create with your family to celebrate the holidays. One of the things that I love about Lemax is that it gives me an opportunity to create a tradition with my family to collect pieces every year. There's also all different themes and styles. Make sure you visit lemaxcollection.com to find out more about the pieces I shared with you today, as well as all their other holiday and year-round collections. You can also visit Lemax on social media. There's so many inspirational ideas for how you can start collecting and decorating. And as always, you can shop the pieces that I shared today at some of my favorite retailers, like Michael's Stores, Ace Hardware, Menards, and online retailers like eHobby Tools and Gift Spice. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to celebrate the holidays. Happy holidays, friends!